Welcome back, humble traders. Today I'll be doing a technical breakdown on Alibaba and C Limited, ticker symbol BABA and SE respectively. If you are new to the channel, remember to take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more charting and price manipulations. Do note that I'm just a humble chartist and I do not provide any buy or sell calls. Instead, I focus on the potential traps laid out by the market makers. Always remember that the stock market is never obvious. It is designed to fool most of the people most of the time. Without further ado, let's do a chart comparison between Alibaba and C Limited. As you can see, both of them have been downtrending for quite a while now. But if you can see, if you look closely, right, the charts actually are pretty similar. Both of them are about to test the $100 support, psychological support, which is a very, very strong psychological support that is coming up soon. You can see that Alibaba over the past 3 years had a good uptrend, and then thereafter it came down. Likewise, to C Limited, it also had a very good uptrend, and thereafter it came down. However, the speed of C Limited has been a lot faster as compared to Alibaba. Alibaba went from about 319 to current levels about 105. Likewise, for C Limited, it was a high about 373, around those levels. Currently, it's trading at 117. The question now is which particular stock will break $100 in the upcoming days, in the upcoming weeks, or upcoming months. We are not too sure about it. Well, if you look at Alibaba, let's first talk about Alibaba. Alibaba had a good support at about 108 and 110 levels. However, now the problem is that even though it did bounce off above the psychological support of $100, 108 and 110 has now become support, has become resistance. As compared to C Limited, did not really have good bounces. It only had a good bounces at about, you can see about 118 levels and also about 111 levels. So there's an indication of lower lows. So 111 and 118. So 118 was here and then 111 was here. This is an indication that lower lows are created. When lower lows are created, it means that the stock is still downtrending and it can drop further. You can see that just 2 days after it announced its earnings, there was 2 red candles here, and then you can see that there was significant selling pressure with heavy red sell downs. So in the event that this 111 level do not hold, which I'm looking at in perhaps in upcoming sessions and upcoming days, then highly likely we may test 110, the psychological support, and thereafter test the $100 psychological support. Apart from $100 being a psychological support, you can see that Alibaba back in somewhere, you can say that somewhere in 2017, in February 2017, that's about 5 years ago. You can see that $100 was in fact a psychological support. At these levels here, $100 was supported. Similarly to C Limited, $100 was also supported at these levels here. You can see that at these levels, currently about 101, 102. That was back in early 2021. You can see that $100 was also supported here. So it is going to be a very, very tough battle, even though Alibaba's recent low was 102 cents. I believe that C Limited may stand a chance to break $100 in the event that huge volume sell downs are upcoming in the next few sessions. Of course, I think more importantly is not about just breaking $100. I want to see about what are the people, where exactly are the retail investors putting their stop losses? Because many retail investors may be putting their stop losses just below $100, perhaps somewhere between $96 to $98. This is a potential traps that market makers may try to stop hunt these retail investors. Likewise, for C Limited, 98 to $98, $99 may be a potential reversal for both charts and both stocks. I think more importantly, at the end of the day, is about we want to see a strong forms of accumulation. We don't want to see too fast a rebound, because if we see too fast a rebound, then it may be just be a dead cat bounce. What we want to see is a slow consolidation and slow accumulation. Because when there's a slow accumulation, then potentially we may see an uptrend or a reversal of trend. Let's move on to the moving average convergence divergence now. So if you look at the moving average convergence divergence on the daily charts, you can see that Alibaba and C Limited are both below the horizontal lines, which means that it is in a bearish territory. Alibaba tried to go above the orange line but failed and it came down. Similar to C, he also tried to go above the orange line, but it looks like it's turning down thereafter. Well, if you look at the weekly charts, it will tell us a slightly different story. The weekly charts will tell us how exactly is the momentum going for both particular stocks on the weekly time frame. So if you look at the weekly time frame, you can see that Alibaba is in fact trying to turn up. So if the daily charts have turned up, but the weekly charts have yet to turn out, then there's an indication that potential reversal may not happen so soon. But you can see that the blue line is trying to stay above the orange line for this Alibaba. On the other hand, you can see that C Limited, there is no sign of a reversal yet. Yes, the blue line is trying to turn, but we need to be turned completely. And even after turning completely, there may be some twists and turns, just like Alibaba here. You can see that the histogram here has already turned white. So that is a good indication. Nevertheless, I believe that both Alibaba and C Limited may test the $100 psychological support very soon. But I'm more interested in seeing which will break $100 first. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by and don't forget to subscribe as you'll keep the uptrend of the channel intact. Leave in the comment section below on your thoughts on these two particular stocks, or if you have any other stock TA requests. Till we meet again, appreciate the manipulation.